Whether it's a quick slice of morning toast, a roast beef tenderloin, or a batch of cookies, a toaster oven can be a kitchen workhorse. A quality toaster oven can definitely make your life easier for those who cook a lot. If you don't like to have a full-size oven, which tends to require a generous budget and counter space, then you'll find a toaster oven especially useful. But with a large variety of models out there, it can be tough to pick the one that best suits your needs. So in today's video, we rounded up the 7 best toaster ovens for you to make your cooking and baking smooth like never before. So without wasting a single moment, let's dive into the video. Prepare mouth-watering meals with the KitchenAid, a dual convection toaster oven that offers versatile cooking options to bring out your cooking capabilities. It comes with a large capacity that fits up to 2 whole chickens so that you can cook more of what you want. With a built-in temperature probe, it allows you to have full control during the cooking process so that you can have the perfect cooking results time after time. It offers 12 preset cooking functions, including everything from bake to a cookie, pizza, and even dough proofing, allowing you to cook a variety of foods. This toaster oven features an interior light that lets you monitor the cooking progress without disturbing your dish. With a non-stick interior, the cleaning process of this toaster oven became easier, while its streamlined profile and elegant knobs add style to any countertop. Depending on the described features, the KitchenAid dual convection toaster oven will elevate your cooking efficiently. Unleash your inner chef and cook more with the Cosori Original Toaster Oven that offers a huge capacity to cook lots of food at a time. As it has 25 liters of storage so you can fit 12-inch pizzas or 6 slices of bread for preparing daily dishes. Also, it has 3 racks that provide enough space so you can cook in a more organized way. With a convection fan and 4 heating elements working together, this toaster oven provides an even temperature to cook your food quickly. This oven has 11 different presets, so whether you're cooking a rotisserie chicken, toast, broil, or baking cookies, it has got you covered. It offers a double-layered glass door that provides added insulation to prevent heat from escaping for better cooking results. In a nutshell, the Cosori is a fantastic toaster oven that you can add to your kitchen if you want to cook in large batches. Presenting the Oster, an affordable yet feature-rich toaster oven that will help you to prepare delicious dishes in no time. This countertop oven has a decent interior that can easily accommodate 6 bread slices, a 12-inch pizza at a time. Designed with turbo convection technology, this oven reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and helps to ensure faster, more consistent cooking and browning. It offers 7 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, reheat, pizza, and much more, giving you versatile options to bring out your cooking creativity. This toaster oven has a 90-minute timer that automatically shuts down the oven instead of just warning you the food's done, while its removable crumb tray makes it very easy to clean. Considering all of these things, the Oster toaster oven can be a worthwhile choice with a reasonably affordable price tag. Prepare yummy pizzas or cookies with the Hamilton Beach, a uniquely designed toaster oven that features a roll-top door for easy and effortless access. This oven has just the right capacity to make 12-inch pizzas or 6 slices of toast, roast chicken, and anything else you've got for it, as it offers 2 rack positions. It offers contoured knobs that are very easy to operate while providing you with safety as well. Besides, it also comes with a removable tray that collects all the crumbs, melted cheese, and juices for easy cleaning. Nevertheless, the Hamilton Beach is an amazing toaster oven that enables you to do a lot more cooking than before and can be a beautiful addition to your kitchen counter. Create extraordinary meals with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a multifunctional toaster oven that opens up the new horizon to show your creativity by cooking different dishes. It offers a wide range of temperature control and cooking features, including air frying and a clever dual cook function, which will help you gain perfect results like no other. This oven comes with 17-liter capacity that can fit 12 inches of pizza or roast a 4-pound chicken and toast 6 bagels halves pretty easily. With its 1800-watt motor, this oven provides even airflow that will help you to make perfectly cooked meals. It comes with an embedded light and a large viewing window that allows you to see your meal's progress without opening the door. Overall, it's a great toaster oven for your kitchen. It's multifunctional and allows you to explore the variety of cooking. Spice up your cooking with the Black & Decker oven, a comprehensive kitchen gadget that lets you prepare your favorite recipes quickly and conveniently. With built-in natural convection technology, its interior is designed to circulate hot air throughout the oven for fast, even baking results. Though it's a compact-sized oven, it can easily accommodate a 9-inch pizza, 4 slices of bread, or a variety of other snacks and meals effortlessly. Moreover, it offers 4 one-touch functions to make your cooking process more effortless, while the 30-minute timer makes your cooking process more convenient. It features even toast technology, which provides 30% more toasting results than the Black & Decker convectional toaster ovens. The Black & Decker is an excellent oven for its amazing heating features, which let you prepare pizza, cookies, toast, or bagels, and much more. Finally, we have the Breville that edges out all other toaster ovens on our list in terms of quality output and performance, thus earning the #1 spot on our list. Having a wattage rating of 1800, it has an inbuilt fan that circulates the hot air within your oven for quicker heating. It has a slow cooking function that allows you to tenderize and develop complex flavors. But our favorite part of this oven is its intuitive control panel, which includes 3 dials and 4 buttons. And as it has an LCD display, you can get access to built-in functions more easily. With a width of 18.5 inches and a depth of 12.5 inches, it's a sturdily built and well-designed toaster oven that will look attractive on your countertop. And with confidence, we can strongly recommend this product to you. So, that was our list of the 7 best toaster ovens just for you.